Surfshark VPN Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Surfshark VPN. Links to Surfshark are in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching. Surfshark is a powerful VPN designed for users seeking top-notch online privacy, unrestricted internet access, and enhanced security. It's packed with features like military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and unlimited device connections, making it a standout option in the competitive VPN market. One of the key features of Surfshark is its Clean Web tool, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware while you browse, ensuring a smooth and safe online experience. For travelers or those in restricted regions, the No Borders mode allows access to content in heavily censored areas. It also includes Camouflage mode, which masks VPN traffic, making it virtually undetectable. Surfshark excels in speed and performance. With over 3,200 servers in 100-plus countries, it delivers reliable and fast connections, perfect for streaming, gaming, or working remotely. Streaming enthusiasts will appreciate its ability to bypass geo-restrictions on platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and BBC iPlayer, without noticeable buffering or quality drops. Surfshark also supports multi-hop, which routes your traffic through multiple servers for an extra layer of privacy. Its kill switch ensures your data isn't exposed if the connection drops unexpectedly. Meanwhile, the whitelister feature lets you exclude apps or websites from the VPN, which is great for online banking or accessing local services. Who's it for? Surfshark is ideal for anyone prioritizing security and convenience. Families will love the unlimited device connections, while digital nomads and privacy enthusiasts will appreciate the robust security and global reach. Setting it up is quick and user-friendly across all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even smart TVs. Pricing is competitive, with long-term plans offering incredible value. In summary, Surfshark delivers a blend of affordability, security, and performance that's hard to beat. For both beginners and advanced users, it's a reliable choice. Check the links below to try it yourself.